Hello and welcome to this webcast regarding a new investment vehicle targeting the East African energy sector. The vehicle is planning, constructing, operating and owning small-scale power plants that feed into the national grid. Given the vast untapped resources in hydropower, the first focus will be on energy from water. I'm now talking to members of the project team who will explain how the project is set up and when we can expect first electricity to come from those power plants. What is the objective of the company?
In East Africa, there's a big gap between the supply and the demand of energy power generation. And there's a lot of potential to produce renewable energy. And the company will use this potential and will build, own and operate renewable energy power plants in East Africa.
What are the milestones in building a power plant?
Once we decide on a project, it will take 2 to 3 years. During that construction period, we will have to build a weir, headrace canal, and pour bay, and a powerhouse. We are hoping to commission the first power plant at the end of 2017.
How do you raise funds?
We are raising funds from DFIs and private investors that are interested in taking a long-term view on the African renewable energy sector. At the moment, our anchor investor, KfW, has supplied the setup capital for us to invest in building a team and funding our first 5 or so projects. As we go forward, and those funds are fully invested, we will look to find other investors who are interested in the sector and willing to take equity risk on projects in the power sector.
How do you invest?
We are investing in the equity portion of each power project that we're involved in. That typically means funding 25 to 30% of a special purpose vehicle that will own the assets once they are fully developed. We typically own about 100% or at least a majority stake in all of the projects where we're investing.
What sort of team do you have in place to achieve this?
We have built a team that has 2 facets. We have an investment team and a developer team. The investment team has years of experience working on renewable energy project infrastructure on the debt side as well as equity side, and they have worked both in Africa as well as in Asia. On the developer team, we have a team that has experience building power plants both in Europe as well as the emerging markets, including Asia and Africa.
What are the key challenges in this project and how are you meeting them?
We could categorize the challenges into 4 sections: technology, social, environmental, and financial. Technology, we meet the challenge of finding the right technology for our power plants by doing extensive due diligence on manufacturers. The social challenge we meet by ensuring we carry out the correct social and environmental impact assessments, which ensure that we manage how we handle the local communities. The environmental challenge we handle by making sure that our projects are run-of-the-river projects, which ensure minimal impact to the environment. And on the financial side, we ensure we cover the financial challenges by doing thorough and careful planning on the implementation of our projects.
Thank you very much. To find out more about responsAbility and our investment topics, please visit our website or contact us directly. We'll be happy to talk to you.